Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Next, visual evoked potential. So, visual evoked potential is when the light falls on the retina. When the light falls on the retina, then a series of nerve fibers will be generated. So, once if this is the retina and when the light falls on the retina, a series of nerve impulses will be generated. Now, these nerve impulses will mediate and they pass to the visual cortex. So now these nerve impulses are measured by visual evoked potential. These are measured by visual evoked potential. So this visual evoked potential will indicate the activity of ganglion cell layer to the visual cortex, because action potential is produced by ganglion cell layer. So it will indicate the activity of ganglion cell layer to the visual potential to the visual cortex.
thank you and thank you for watching.